Okay, welcome back everyone. So this part will be handling the pointy part, for the pointy part of the lens of lungious. So the first step is to create a plane that lies on these two faces, or intersects these two faces. So you first click on plane, then click the axis that we created previously, and then we click on move, and we see a move tool that sits on the plane that we created. So we double click the red axis, or the red revolve axis, and we spin it in 90 degrees. So we see that it has the plane it now intersects these 2 points. So now we can draw our lens of our pointy part of the lens of lungious. So click on select, and then we click the line tool. So our sketch lies on this plane. Then we click on this plan view, drag it over here, and then we can start our drawing. So I'm just gonna draw one pointy part, and then copy paste, and then click it, and then paste it to this edge. So to create the two pointy part of the lens of lungious. And then click this what do you call this, a spline tool. Then click again to create the sharp edges. Press escape to escape your current tool, and then select again. And then click on the line tool, extend this part to here, and then click on the spline tool, and then connect these two parts. So this is one blade of the lens of lungious. Then we click on the solidify to make it a surface. Then we select it, and then we pull it into a rectangular shape, like maybe 1.25 thickness, with a thickness of 1.25. Or you can make it thinner, maybe like 1. Press 1 and then hit enter. And then we'll have to slice out the excessive parts. So the first step is to click on this face, and then click on the what do you call this? The sketch model. The sketch model. So we click on the sketch model to draw out excessive parts. So click on the line tool. Click on the line tool, and then click on, then draw 2 lines. In this step, we can first hide our handle part of our the lens of lungious to make our processing easier. And then select the pole tool, and then select one face. Then select this sweep method and press Control. Select the sweep. Select the path that you wanted to sweep, and then press the cut, and then hit Enter. Okay. So we'll do the same thing as before here. Click on the surface, click on the face, then select the path tool. Click on the path that you wanted it to slide on, and then press cut, and then hit Enter. That is perfect. So we'll do the same thing to these two edges. So click on this face. First hit select, and then click this face. Then click on the sketch model to enable your sketch to lie on this face. And then we draw. You can either draw a line or a spline. It depends on you. So I'm gonna draw a spline here. So I'm gonna first click on the pole tool, select a face, select the edges, and then you have to. We'll do it again. Select the face, and then select the edges by clicking on this by hitting the Control button, and then click on the cut. Then press Enter. You notice that there are some parts that are not so well, but we'll do this modification later. Okay, we'll do the same thing here. So click on the face, click on the path tool, press Control to select multiple paths, and then click on cut, and then hit Enter. Okay, so the first thing we're gonna do is to handle this obscure pointy part. So we're gonna do it manually. So click on pole tool, then click on the face that you don't want, and then cut. Drag it along, and you get rid of it. Got rid of the excessive parts. We'll do the same thing here. Click on the face that you don't want and click cut, and drag it along. Okay, so the next part is we're gonna fix these two parts. So same as before, click on pole tool, click on the face, and this time we click add. Same thing here, this time we click add, and we're gonna make these two flat faces pointier. So same here, click on the face, click add, and then pull up. Same here, click on the face, click add, and then okay. Okay, so next part is I'm gonna Control C, Control V this blade. So we select this blade and select Move and Control C, Control V. Now you get another blade. And then we double click the red axis and then double click it again. Okay, now we get a symmetric geometry. Then the final step we have to do is to mount the two blades on the handle. So this part is very easy. Just select the solid and then click on move, and then click on the red axis, and that's it. And if you don't want these two parts, you can cut them off, or you can just use the pull tool. I think you can use the pull tool to deselect them, like this. Does it work? Oh, no, it doesn't work. Oh wait, it works. Do it again. Too much. Is it too much? I'm going to undo it. Undo it. Oh, okay. I think there's a better way of doing it. Just rotate these two blades. I think shall do it. So just undo the parts that we have done, and then just rotate these two blades. So I think we can select both solids. Press Ctrl to select both of them, and then click on move. Yeah, that should do it. And then we click on the red axis, and then we mount these two blades on the handle. Okay, that should do it. So we now get a perfect length of lunginous, and then we for 3D printing purpose, you have to click on the combine tool to truly combine these three parts. Because you can see that in the structure table, you can see that these four things are not combined. So you have to combine these four things. To click on one solid, and then click on this tool, select bodies to merge, and then we select this blade, and then we select another blade, and another, and okay. So you get what you get. You get what we have intended. So you see that there are still two solids here because the handle part isn't merged together. So I'm gonna extend the handle to merge to get a perfect merged handle. So click on pull, click on the face, and then click on the revolve. Where's our line? So I think our line's here. So then select options, revolve helix, and we will have a height of maybe 10, maybe. No, I think there's something wrong. Oh, we have a height of -10. And we'll do the same thing here as the other face. Do the other face. We have a height of -10. That should merge the handle. Is it merged? I think no. So we're gonna extend it more. Like -20, maybe -20. -20. -20. Okay, that should do it. There, you can see that the two solids have merged into one. And the final step, we're just gonna color our lens of Longinus red, just as in the comics. So you select your solid, and then right-click. You can see that you can select a variety of colors. Here I'm gonna select it red, and you can hide the curves that you have previously created. And for some of you that don't like these lines, you can select the display. You can select the display and click on the edges, and click out, deselect these to get a geometry without these lines. But I personally think that with these lines, it seems cooler. It depends on you. And so we finished our modeling of lens of Longinus. Hope you like it.